1 million subscribers, a YouTube milestone I never expected to reach, but here's the story of how I got here. In 2017, I started the channel with no video editing skills and zero expectations. I hated the sound of my own voice and have been told I have the personality of a carrot, but I was like, screw it, I'm going to try YouTube and probably fail and disappoint my mom again in the process. I found there was a need for developer content around Angular and Firebase, so I created some really bad videos that were very useful to this highly specialized audience.
Welcome to Angular Firebase. If you create a new app with the Angular CLI, then these files are going to be here by default.
I even remember my very first comment that motivated me to keep pushing forward. In the early game, the key is to find a specialized unmet need in the market, then create the useful educational content that audience is looking for. If you're consistent, uploading a new video, say once a week, that should take you to about 10,000 subscribers in about a year or so. But then you'll hit a ceiling. By the mid-game, my video editing skills were much improved. To grow further, I created videos targeted at a wider audience. My first real banger was Firebase Basics. My philosophy has always been to make the next video better than the last one. It takes a lot of time and experimentation to really optimize the content for what your audience is looking for. Listen to feedback and give the audience what they want. Like, I don't show my face in my videos because my handsomeness is distracting, and it forces me to find useful graphics that actually represent what I'm talking about. What you don't want to do is copy somebody else. Not only will that eat away at your soul, but in order to grow on YouTube, you really need to find the thing that makes you unique. To reach 100K subscribers, it took 675 days and 150 uploads. The late game is where things get difficult. You'll be extremely burned out at this point, and 10xing the road to 100K might seem impossible. To keep growing though, the formula is simple. Keep uploading and keep getting better. At this point, I started taking a more scientific approach by optimizing two metrics, the click-through rating and the watch time. To optimize clicks, you need a good title and thumbnail. That's more of an art form than anything. You need to know what your audience wants and how to surprise them with something creative. For me, that comes easy because I also have a lot of fun and get really excited about every video I create. For watch time, I have a formula with 3 ingredients. Most importantly, the content needs to be educational and useful. The second ingredient is storytelling. There are so many interesting stories to tell about the history of software and the people behind it. The final ingredient is humor. I can tell jokes that are actually encoded messages of things that I couldn't say otherwise without sounding like a total dick. This has been how to get 1 million YouTube subscribers in 100 seconds, and I want to send a huge thank you to everybody who supported my channel over the years. It truly means more to me than you'll ever know. I've learned so much, met amazing people, and have the rare privilege of actually enjoying what I do for work. And now we get to start down the road to 10 million. I'm not sure how we'll get there yet, but we will get there or die trying. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.